I made it to Madrid. We are here. Let me do like a quick room tour. Isn't it too cute? Mini fridge. The bathroom is actually super big. Let me see what. Very big. And then of course, the view of Madrid. And the palace is literally right over there. I was not expecting it to be as hot as it is. Like, it said 50s and 70s. Getting some food because, yeah, there's this place that they've been talking about, Casa de Abuelos, with like some grilled shrimp and just some gelato. Gotta do it. Okay, so this is like fit check for day one. I feel like it's cute. It's chill. It's nothing too crazy. I'm obsessed with these shoes. These wine prices are insane now. Every time I go abroad to Europe, I always stock up on the same stuff at the grocery store. Wine immediately, baguette immediately, salami, cheese, and water. Always. It's like a must. After grocery store run, I have to, it's like, I don't know what it is about Europe, but you have to get to-go drinks. Like, it could be 10 a.m. It could be 10 a.m. and it's vino tinto all summer. Last summer it was Aperol Spritz all summer. It's a Spain summer, so it's vino tinto. Day 2 outfits. Gonna go grab some breakfast. I'll probably just walk around the Royal Palace until my reservation for lunch. last day in Madrid. Grabbing breakfast and heading to the Prado Museum. Museum. Just checked out the Retiro Park. I'm gonna go grab some lunch. It's my last day in Madrid. Honestly, I'm really gonna miss the city. When I first got here, I was kind of like, but honestly, the more I've explored, stunning. Tomorrow we head over to Barcelona. Let's see how the day goes. Literally beautiful. Like, are you kidding me? Came home to change. Just gonna grab a quick dinner. It is like really hot out here. It's not as hot as Italy last year, but it is steaming. I did a light shopping. I went to the flea market, and now I'm gonna grab some food.